What is going on, everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. Today we have a new colorway of the very popular and currently in demand model, the KNU Skool. The official colorway name is NuBuck Pink Glow, and I would go true to size on this pair. I cannot wait to show you both laces it came with, so let's go! Like I said earlier, this is currently a very popular model. And on this particular colorway, I posted this on my Instagram story the very first hour it came out on the Vans site. And that was about a week ago. And now it is completely sold out and you can't even find this colorway on their site. I do hope that they restock it and it's not one of those quick strike or limited releases. Alright, well, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this pair. The box label did say NuBuck on it, so as you can see, the whole pair is made out of NuBuck. And let me show you how amazing the quality is by brushing it off on the toe cap. Now, if you're wondering, what is the difference between NuBuck and suede, and which one is better? I did a little Google search and this is what it showed me. NuBuck is more durable and water resistant, but it often costs more. One great example of a company that uses NuBuck material on their product is the battle-tested Timberland boots. If this is the first time you are seeing a KNU Skool model, well, the old school stripe is a chunkier one than normal. And let me clarify that the whole pair is not made out of NuBuck because the old school stripe is made out of vinyl. This is one of the parts I love about the KNU Skool model, adding the pull tab at the back. And sometimes it comes in handy when you are putting on the shoe. This pair comes with an extra set of fat laces. I'm actually surprised because most of the time it's only on collaboration pairs. They did a great job on the colorway on this. Looks like there are 3 different shades of pink in this pair. Here is the stock lace it came with. It is pretty cool how the lining of the tongue has a different shade of pink, and also the tab on the front. Okay, so it's about that time to do the squeeze test, as I always do with all the KNU Skool pairs I have. Now I'm going to show the inside part of the shoe. You have the Vans and the size tab at the back of the tongue. And you got the regular Vans logo on the insoles, which here, let me clear that out for you so you can see. And it looks like it's just a regular insole. And before I forget, let me show you the bottom sole, which is the regular brown waffle sole. Alright, are you ready to lace this pair up? We're gonna try both laces and see which one's better. Of course, we are gonna start with the stock laces it came with. So, what do you all think? To me, it looks nice. Again, I love the fact that it's a different shade of pink. Now let's try on the extra fat laces it came with. Ooh, this is nice. I think it complements the whole pair as it matches the midsole. What do y'all think? Comment down below on which one you like better. It is almost that time for the on-feet video. But first, if you haven't, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button if you like this video. It would help my channel a lot. Oh, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, VansDad, so you don't miss out on any new information about this KNU Skool model regarding release info, new colorways, and links on where to get them. Thank you, everyone. Now here is the on-feet video. See y'all next time.